Hey guys! Today I am just doing a little bit of an experiment. I have some fluorescent colors that I'm going to do a dirty pour with. I have my Lucas Acrylic colors, so I have fluorescent lemon yellow, fluorescent magenta, fluorescent signal red, fluorescent blue, and fluorescent green. I also have this fluorescent reflex white that I'll be using kind of as a base. And then I haven't quite decided if I want to use this one yet or not, but I have it mixed up anyways. It's the Folk Art Neon Purple. For this, since it's so much thinner than the Lucas Acrylic paints, I like to mix it with some of the Liquitex gloss gel medium first to thicken it up. It's a paint binder, so it's not going to do anything to the color or anything. It's just going to make your paint thicker. So it's great, especially for the craft paints. From there, I also have this mixed up, which is a very experimental part of this. So I don't know how well you guys will be able to see, but this is glow-in-the-dark glitter. I just mixed this Bioluminescent River Glow-in-the-Dark Glitter by Glitter Hippo, and I mixed it with some of the gel medium, and then I poured in my Floetrol. All my paints also have just a touch of the GAC 800 and just a little bit of the Liquitex pouring medium. It gives it a little bit more gloss whenever it's dry, so sometimes I'll add that first to thin out my paints to get them to the consistency that I'd like first. So speaking of consistency, today I've got my paints extra thick. So hopefully you'll be able to see. All right. So what I'm thinking is a dirty pour. So I'm going to pour my paints, layer my paints into a separate cup. And I think I'm going to use this as a separator for each color. Again, I'm not real sure how this is going to turn out, since all I have in it is the glitter. It shouldn't give me a color in between. It should just add the glow-in-the-dark glitter to it. But who knows? We're here to find out together. All right, so let's see, what color do we want to go first? Oh, hell, let's go ahead, add a little bit of the glitter to the bottom. Now remember, whenever you do a dirty pour, usually whatever color you put at the bottom is going to be at the top whenever you're done. So keep that in mind whenever you do these. Let's see, let's go with, let's go with the purple first. So I'm gonna pour some of that. We'll go purple, blue, we'll do green, pink, orange, and you know, I completely forgot to put the glitter in between each layer, so we will do that here. Let's just add a layer like that. Yeah. And I'm going to come over here to this other side and do another small amount on top here. And I'm just pouring it around. Okay. Not what I was intending originally, but that's just what happens when you don't pay attention. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this glitter to the top. Whew. Now, okay, I'm going to start pouring, and we'll just go from there. And now I do not have silicone in any of these colors. It's all just Floetrol and then the GAC and Liquitex. Yeah, all right. And now I'm going to take my Reflex White and pour it a little bit around here. Smooth that out a little. Take it to the corners. Try to get all my edges covered so whenever I spin it or turn it, I don't plan on going buck wild with this one like I do my tiles, because it's so much bigger and I'm prone to be messy whenever I spin. So we're going to try to keep paint off the walls and do a light spin. Okay, I'll go. Got everything covered. I'm just pushing this white up to the color. Just like so. Okay. Now, I'm going to take a torch to it and pop some air bubbles, and we'll take it for a spin. All right, let's scoop all my open paint cups out of the way real quick so we don't end up with a disaster. Okay. And ooh! Okay, Okay, maybe that's not the best idea because that just went clean off the table. Okay, well, so much for spinning. Let's just tilt. I think I want to come this way first. Sorry, guys. It's been a while since I've done such a large one, so I'm trying to get used to the limited space. Okay. I think no. Let's take that off. We didn't leave enough white on any other spot for it to really look right. Okay. Now, I can see all the glitter. I don't know if you guys can. Okay. Set that back down. All right. Take a torch. Our white was a little bit thinner than the rest of the paint, so I'm semi-expecting some pearls to come up on the sides. And we've got a few, but not anything major. That's exciting. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!